virtual happy hour. We are here, episode 101. It's Tequila Tuesday. Let's do this. I hope you're excited because I am amped the fuck up because I've missed you. I've just been listless. I haven't known what to do with myself in the evenings. So much free time. Only so much you can do with your Hitachi back massager. You know what I mean? Maybe it's time to diversify. We are making a spicy hibiscus margarita. That's what we got going on today. I have here some chilled hibiscus tea. They sell hibiscus tea bags at the grocery store. I don't want to have to explain this to you. I just want you to do a little independent research, some independent study, get some extra credit, impress me. Also, if you're looking for a little extra credit, be sure to let me know where I am in your heart and how important our relationship is by participating in my hashtag Tipple for Tipple cocktail competition because it's my birthday this Saturday. I'm turning 32. You only turn 32 once. It's well-known milestone 32. Yeah, my birthday's 8/8/88. I'm very lucky. If the dating scene doesn't pan out for me here, I am going to move to China where the number 8 is considered very lucky. So I'm just gonna flash my birth certificate around to a bunch of billionaires. They even have a saying, they say bah bah. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but basically the word for 8 and the word for wealth are very similar, and therefore you say bah bah is the same as saying like good luck, good fortune. So my birthday would be ba 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 ba. There you go. The more you know. So we are gonna need cocktail shaker, your usual jigger, knife, citrus juicer, muddler, or the wooden spoon, back of a wooden spoon. Ingredients, I went over the chilled hibiscus tea, agave nectar, orange liqueur, I like Cointreau, and Blanco tequila, or reposado will do, and then lime juice, and if you want a jalapeno, I want it a little spicy. So we're gonna slice off, let's say, I don't know, this is the jalapeno the size of a fucking murder hornet. So, you know, pretty healthy dose. I'm just gonna start with 3 slices. I'm not gonna chop them up much more than that because I don't want to have to deal with a double straining situation. And then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Get this going. I'm going to be off on vacation as of Friday, and I'm looking forward to spending some more time working on the blog. And then we're going to give this a little muddle, working on my book. Get a nice little heat situation going here. I really like spicy cocktails, and I like herbaceous cocktails as well. I like, as we've talked about, cilantro. Now we're gonna add 2 ounces of our tequila. Don't want that to roll away. As you may have seen, I did stand-up paddleboard yoga for the first time ever yesterday. No, some of you asked, was that like an influencer thing? No, I just pay for things and do activities with my own money. Because support the local economy, you know, local hero that I am. 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. And, you know, it was challenging. I anticipated it was going to be challenging, and it was. I narrowly avoided falling off the board during tree pose, but I did not avoid embarrassing myself because I was the only person that showed up in a swimsuit, and of course, I was wearing an itsy bitsy teeny weeny orange ribbed bikini. 2 ounces of our chilled hibiscus tea. It's gonna give us a beautiful color. So I just didn't know what people were thinking. Like in my mind, like you're gonna get wet, like the likelihood of you going in the water is pretty high. 1/2 ounce of agave nectar, just for a bit of sweetness and building on that agave flavor profile from the tequila. And surely several people did go in the water, and I just didn't want like swamp ass in the car on the way home from Meech Lake. Also, it was an hour longer than it was advertised, so you like get back in the middle of the night, basically, and I say middle of the night, like 9:15, but pitch black, and if you've ever driven through Chelsea or Gatineau Park, you will know that it is Very dark, very windy, and I nearly lost an axe hole to a fucking pothole because kebab. I missed you! I hope you miss me too. I wouldn't want unrequited love. Look at how fucking pretty that is. If I had fresh mint, I would stick a bouquet of fresh mint in here, but I don't. So I will just do another single slice of jalapeno and drop that on top. There you go. Spicy Hibiscus Margarita. Oh, fuck yeah. That's good. Don't forget, tipple for tipple. In order to enter, I will repost the criteria, but you have to create a cocktail recipe, ideally an original recipe inspired by me. You will get points for presentation, you will get points for creativity, and you will get points for the name and why it's inspired by me. You can either post this in your feed or to story. Make sure you tag me and use the hashtag tipple for tipple. Someone did suggest that you have to also come up with the invented history of the cocktail, which I really love. I'm not going to add that, but you know, bonus points. And also bonus points for sass and a killer outfit, because